Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Radio Butan, a proud member of Global Philippines from Carmona, Cavite. Last July 22, 2015, I provided help amounting to 4,000 pesos. And last July 23, 2015, I requested help amounting to 5,400 pesos. This 5,400 pesos is from my referral bonus worth of 775 pesos, bonus for the video chain letters 94.15, another bonus for the video chain letters 69.404, Magro mining bonus plus 10%, 400 pesos, and my capital for the 2 days frozen 4,000. With a summary of 5,400. To Makapinla who gave this amount of 5,400 pesos, thank you for providing this amount. To Sir Jima Brody, the founder of MMM Global Community, thank you. Long live MMM